Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory head unit in the ISUZU NPR truck, and this one is the one 2011, okay, 2009, sorry. And this one, the dashboard is like this, and this head unit like this. So we just need the plastic screen removal tool first, and then you slide at the edge here and push it out, and you go here and slide here and push it out, and it come out very straight. And then you disconnect some connector at the back, okay, and then carefully, you know, lift this one up and it will come out. And then you see there's a hex screw here holding the head unit, 4 of them, and just unscrew 4 of those screws, and then you will be able to slide out that head unit out of the place and unplug it and get starting to work, which we are doing the 10-inch full package upgrade for the truck. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.